Hey everyone, today let's dive into something that has truly shaken the tech world. The Unitree G1, a humanoid robot equipped with groundbreaking artificial intelligence. Now if you're into robotics, you've probably seen your fair share of impressive bots. But trust me, the G1 is on a whole new level. Powered by some of the most advanced AI algorithms, this robot isn't just mimicking human movements, it's learning from them. So, how did this tech marvel come to be? Well, behind the G1 is a team of some of the brightest minds in robotics, who have pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible. They've integrated AI that can adapt and respond in real time. Imagine a robot that can improve its tasks just by watching you do them once. That's the G1 for you. Now you might be wondering, what makes the Unitree G1 so special? It's not just the technology itself, but how it's being used. From assisting in complex, dangerous tasks to helping in everyday chores, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget, it's got a style that looks like it walked right out of a sci-fi movie. But the G1 isn't just turning heads among us tech enthusiasts. Tech giants are paying attention too. Imagine the discussions happening in the boardrooms of Silicon Valley. The AI of G1 could revolutionize industries, automate more complex tasks, and even spark new business ideas. And speaking of big tech names, reactions from industry leaders like Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg have been of awe and curiosity. While I can't play their reactions directly here, let's just say they recognize the game-changing potential of this AI. Musk, known for his work with AI in Tesla and SpaceX, appreciates the engineering marvel, and Zuckerberg sees potential integrations with social platforms and virtual reality. But as with all tech, the G1 comes with its set of challenges. Privacy concerns, ethical use of AI, and the potential for job displacement are all topics that need addressing. Yet, the advancements and benefits might just outweigh these challenges. So what's next for the Unitree G1? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, the future of robotics just got a lot more interesting. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Until next time, keep wondering and keep tinkering.